Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP has actually nicely followed our wave count. Yeah, it got rejected again by our 78.6 retracement level. In the previous video, we saw it as fairly likely to push higher. If you've watched the previous video, you knew about this because the move down was only in 3 waves. It was actually a pretty obvious 3-wave move. So you normally expect after that, looking at the structure here as a wave 2, for it to push higher after 3 waves. And it actually did that. We talked I think it was yesterday or the day before, about the idea that if price can push above 54.7, the limit, the absolute limit would be the 58.4 cent level. Above that, this wave 2 would get invalidated. So at the moment, to be honest, in this wave count, it can't really have another high. So far, this move up worked out very nicely. It pushed higher but got rejected, which was important for this particular wave count to keep it alive because it didn't invalidate. We have a WXY structure to the upside here at the moment, and we have a very strong rejection. Okay, so I'm actually watching if the third wave has finally started to the downside. It's of course a little bit too early to confirm, but we have initial signals in that we have a very strong bearish engulfing candle. In that also, if I look at the subwave structure of this move here to the upside, let me just go to the 1-hour chart. I'm just thinking this ABC is probably a WXY. Let me just correct that. Didn't make any difference for targets or anything. It's more like the way it looks now. So we have a WXY within a WXY. No, we have a WXY within a Y wave. And if I now, exactly. So if I now look at this structure, then we have an ABC, because then I've got an A wave, I've got a B wave low here, and possibly the C to the upside. And because it did a break below the B wave low, even though, okay, it was not a sustained break, but at least, it broke below the B wave low. That's always a bit of an indication that the move down has started, goes the opposite way. So it's an early signal, okay? We get much more clarity if price finally breaks below the 47.3 cent level, the X wave low, and then next support would be around 44.3, and then significant support about 41 cents. So there's a lot of work to do on the downside. Let's see if we finally start the move down. We shouldn't forget that cryptos on a day like this can easily max out certain wave structures, and XRP absolutely maxed out what it could do here in the wave 2. Wouldn't be surprised if it actually reacted to the 88.7 fib level. Let me just bring that onto the chart. Yeah, 56.5. The 88.7 got rejected straight away, so we never had a sustained break above the 78.6 fib level, which is important. And so we have to observe this now. Okay, it's too early. Obviously, if price breaks above today's high again, which is at 56.5 cents, it would not automatically be invalidated, this wave 2, but it will be at 58.4. And let's be honest, if price breaks above it, it will most likely push higher. And then we have a reset of the B wave. But at the moment, we have a fairly well-defined top here. And against that, I would focus on lower at the moment. But if it's taken out, then we have an extended B wave that could reach the 70 cent range. Why the 70 cent range? Because we talked about it before. We said, okay, look, it will probably be a WXY, but the Y wave will then likely get, instead of the 1-to-1 ratio where it got rejected here, if we have an extended Y wave, it might go to the 1.618 at 73.7 cents. That's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.